Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Stacy on the Days channel. If you're new here for the first time, a warm welcome to you. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss any of my upload. Yes guys, just go ahead and subscribe. I do a lot of contents over here. You won't be disappointed. You always have something coming from Stacy on the Days channel. Yes guys, so in this video I made some cocoa bread patty, just one patty. My son decided that he need a patty, so I just turned one of the meatloaf into a patty. And this is Jamaican meatloaf, because in the States meatloaf is a whole different thing. So this is Jamaican meatloaf, guys. Yes, so we turned only one into a patty. We made some meatloaf and some jumbo cocoa bread. Yes guys, so in here now we have the ground beef, which was well seasoned. I go ahead and use some browning soy sauce along with my seasonings. Yes, and some pimento, bell peppers and so forth. Just, nice seasoning, guys. So over here now, we have them there. We're gonna put them in the oven. Yes, and that was some leftover meat right there. Yes, so we did not use all the ground beef. Yes guys, so put in the oven for 25 minutes, and basically this was the outcome. Yes guys, those yummy meatloaf, one number patty for my son. Yes, so guys, if you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, guys, leave some comments down below and share me out if you